before, whenever you cut this garlic, it looks white. But once the wine gets in here, it really gets cooked in the wine and it soaks it up, so it looks very nice and brown. Tastes good too. Check on those potatoes. Alright. The bad thing about the chicken getting white is you don't know whenever it's done. So what you do is you cut it open, and if there's any pink whatsoever, which there's a lot in this chicken, don't serve it. Because chicken, you don't know what's in it. It could be, you know, could have E. coli, you never know. Same with the mushrooms.